welcome back to another video. And guys, today I am going to be doing a juice, and tell you what, I'm going to be using the purple cabbage. And guys, this cabbage is good. It helps to get out information. So what I'm going to do, guys, I am going to use the cabbage with some ginger and the lime from my backyard of my tree and some apples. So I'm gonna wash all these up with some baking soda and get back to you guys. So guys, I've washed my cabbage, my apples and my ginger and rinsed my lime off. So now I'm gonna be cutting my cabbage. As for my apples, I'm not gonna cut them. And this one is so cute. I like how the stem looks. I'm gonna use it for to decorate my drink afterward. So guys, I'm gonna put my cabbage over here. I think I'm gonna just slice them like this so it can go into the top of the juicer. Just like that. So guys, this juice is very healthy. It will reduce inflammation from the body, and it is 10 times better than the white cabbage. Guys, I don't know if you know about when some people have inflammation and you can put a cabbage skin on your knee or anywhere about there. It draws out inflammation. So can you imagine this drink that I'm making, how much inflammation it takes out of the body? So guys, if you are stressed, you can have this drink. It's very good. It manages stress and it helps to heal your gut. So all those people with a big tummy, you have to detox first. You can use some lemon and ginger, make a good batch of it. I'm gonna come with that video, guys. So guys, I'm not gonna take the skin off my ginger. Some people take the skin off, I don't. I'm gonna put all of this through the juicer. So guys, it's time for us to start juicing. Almost time. I'm just gonna get the skin off the lemon or lime, whatever you want to use. But guys, this is a lime from my tree, but because I'm so much used to lemon in Australia, everything we have lime in Jamaica. So guys, these are all my ingredients that I'm going to use to make my juice. So let's get on with the juicing. So guys, I'm gonna turn my machine on and I am going to pop my apples in and a bit of my purple cabbage and some of my ginger with the cabbage. So guys, this juice helps to strengthen your bones, so it's nice to add to your diet. So guys, the purple cabbage have 10 times more vitamin A than the green cabbage, but both type of cabbage contain vitamin A. So guys, this juice is also good for your vision because it have beta-carotene in it. So guys, look up the benefit on Google. Beautiful that drink is, and as you can see, there's a little bit of the apple because I put the apple in first at the front where at the sprout. So just look at how the juice is looking red, but you know it's cabbage. So guys, as I said before, you don't use sugar in this drink. You use the apples to sweeten it, add a little bit of ginger, and you are good to go with the purple cabbage. And guys, the purple cabbage is a superfood. So guys, I'm gonna be letting out my first batch of juice. Look how lovely the juice looks. I'm gonna be making a second batch of juice as always. So let's get straight into that. So guys, here I am adding my second batch of fruits, my apples, and a bit of cabbage, purple cabbage, and I have a small bit of ginger leaf in my bowl. So I'm gonna pop everything in. Guys, everyone deserves to try this juice. I tell you that this juice reduces intestinal mucus. So guys, I think everyone should have this even twice a month. It won't do any harm. It's natural guys, natural, all natural over this channel. Once you have a healthy gut, you will have a healthy life. I can tell you that. And the red cabbage is safe for everyone. So guys, you go and do your own research and see if it's good for you, or if you would like to try it out. Just test a little bit and see how it goes, but it is very refreshing. So guys, I'm gonna put the last bit of ginger in, and I am going to get ready to do my decorations and to serve up my drink. So there it goes. So guys, I'm decorating my board with a bit of the cabbage. I've shredded the cabbage. And I went outside and get 2 pieces of rosemary flowers. So guys, I'm gonna pour so guys, a little bit of the juice escaped my jug, so now I'm going in the second one. So I had to cut the video to wipe that up. Not every week we're going to be perfect. So guys, the apple will sweeten this drink. And the ginger is a plus. Let me use a smaller spoon to just take a little bit of the top. So guys, there you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye for now. See you in the next video, guys. Big up and bless up everyone. Remember, I read and check every comment, guys, and I always love to hear from you. So big up yourself, people.